Here's a technique to help you to feel confident in any situation. This is known as the Ring of Power or Circle of Power or Ring of Confidence. And it's an anchor exercise, but it's a little bit different to the ones that I've taught you previously. So I want you to go along with me, follow the instructions. And if you get confused in any way, just rewind and go back again and you'll get the hang of it. So first of all, I want you to be standing up and I want you to imagine in front of you there's a circle. So I want you to create a circle, and it can be as big, as bright, as colourful as you like, but it's your circle and you're going to stand in it in a minute. So it needs to be big enough to stand in. Okay, so have you got it? So create that circle of power and circle of confidence. Okay, good. Now, I want you to stand at the edge of that circle. You there? Good. And now I want you to think about a time when you were powerfully confident, when you felt like you could rule the world. Some people think about times like their wedding day, or when they graduated from college, when they passed their driving test. It could be anything where you felt very confident. It could be something that I have no idea what it's about, but you know what makes you feel powerfully confident. So, have you got it? Okay, I want you to really feel motivated and powerful and build that picture. Just close your eyes for a moment and allow yourself to feel what you felt at the time, to see what you saw, to hear what you heard. And now step into that ring. Obviously it's an imaginary ring, but step into it and just allow that feeling to build. Allow that feeling of power and confidence to build within you. Continue to allow it to build so you feel powerfully confident. Now, step out of the ring and open your eyes. Okay, you back with me? Now, what I'd like you to do is to step into that ring. See how that feels? You feel that power coming from that ring of power and confidence that you've created? You don't? Or you do, but you'd like it to be a little bit stronger? Okay, let's stack that. Close your eyes once more. Let's think of another time when you felt powerfully confident. You felt amazing. You felt like you could rule the world. You felt just you knew you were good at what you were doing. It was something you were completely in flow and feeling good. If you got it, make it bigger, brighter, more powerful. Imagine any sounds associated with it. Imagine any feelings, any smells, anything anyone's saying. Make it bigger and brighter. And now step back into that ring. And as you're standing in that circle of power and circle of confidence, continue to allow those feelings of powerful confidence to build. Allow them to wash all over you. And whenever you've actually reached as powerful as you can possibly be, step back out and come back to me and open your eyes. Let's try that one more time. Step into that ring and tell me how it feels now. Is it good? You feel powerfully confident? Excellent. Now what I'd like you to do is imagine that you pick that ring up and just kind of make it so that it creates itself, spins around, and it creates a little ring. Put that ring on your finger. Put that ring somewhere. Right, whenever you're feeling like you need a feeling of confidence, you can take that ring from your finger and throw it down onto the floor as big and bright as you want. Step back in it again, and then you will feel powerfully confident once more. So let's just remind ourselves what we did. We created a circle. We stood at the edge of it. We imagined or remembered a time when we felt powerfully confident. We stood in that circle and allowed those feelings to get bigger, brighter, stronger, and made it more powerful. When we peaked that state and we were feeling powerful, we stepped back out of it. We switched, we broke our state. So maybe take a deep breath or look around you, do something different for a second so you break that state. And then we stepped back in and we saw how that felt. And if you need to make it stronger, just go through the process again. And then you can do it two ways. You can either imagine it that it's a ring on your finger and put it on one of your fingers, or you can just hold it in yourself as a circle and then just put it down any time that you want to. So that's this circle of power or ring of power exercise. It's very effective. It's an NLP technique that I use myself, and just use it alongside anything else that you use, and you will soon be feeling a lot more powerful, a lot more confident, and a lot more motivated. And you can use it for any of those kind of feelings that you want to generate within yourself. If you have any questions, please comment. If you have anything specific you'd like me to make videos on, let me know, and please do subscribe so that you get new videos. Thank you.